And I am watching Archana Puran Singh and her vlogs. I just love her, man. I just love their vlogs, bro. I mean, अब अभी क्या देख, अभी कोई कुल्फ़ी कॉन्टेस्ट चल रहा है इन लोगों का और मैं बैठ के कुल्फ़ी कॉन्टेस्ट देख रही हूँ. पता नहीं क्यों, बट बहुत मन कर रहा है कुल्फ़ी खाने को. When I am not even a sugar eating person, but I mean, I would not mind trying kulfi, but who am I going to try it with? Because my friends are not here. Nobody is here to try it with me. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. भाई देख यार क्या कर रहे हैं यार ये लोग कुल्फियाँ खा रहे हैं. तीनों जगह पे जो This is amazing. This is amazing. And बहुत ही टेस्टी है सब जगह. मुझे पर्सनली amazing. I love how they do food challenges. I would like to do food challenges one day. Only if I could. क्योंकि ये लोग जैसे खाना खाते हैं ना, मतलब ये लोग पूरे मुंबई में घूम घूम के they try out one dish in like multiple restaurants or like cafes. I can't really do that. I don't have that kind of appetite and I don't even have that many people to go with me. Just alone me, if I would like to try. Originally, when I had thought about this, बहुत sound कर रहा है भैया, इसको थोड़ा सा slow कर देते हैं ना. Originally, you know, when I thought of including a few food vlogs in this channel, kept thinking, I was like, maybe we could do this every week. One Sunday ko I'll just go to this new cafe somewhere alone. I'll go try out food, act like I'm some food connoisseur or something, and then वहाँ पर बैठ के ऐसे फ़ोटोज़ क्लिक करके ऐसे लिखना चालू कर दूँगी. वो लोग सोचेंगे भाई बहुत बड़ी फूड क्रिटिक है भाई. फिर पता चलेगा पता नहीं 50 फॉलोअर का एक फूड इंस्टाग्राम है. इफ़ यू डिडंट नो, प्लीज़ फॉलो माई फूड इंस्टाग्राम, cookfeed. I'll put it somewhere. Cookfeed. Please follow so that you guys can know why I am so. तो ठीक है, अब मैं जा रही हूँ व्लॉग देखने. I just wanted to show you guys that day 2 was also very boring. I was just working the entire day. I wanted to go to college, but I did not because I couldn't. Had a little work, but I am here and I'm watching a vlog before I go to sleep because I go to sleep at 10:30. So yeah. Bye. See you tomorrow. Good night. 21st century ki female Tarzan. That's who I look like. Don't get scared. I just washed my hair. Welcome to another day in my week. क्या ही कर सकते हैं अब. Probably go. Wait, I will bring hair serum. You know, initially जब मैंने ये channel start किया था, I wanted this channel to be everything that I, like as a hobby, and I like to do, like painting, reading books, drinking coffee, drinking matcha, going out with my friends. I have showed a lot of times that when we go out, what we do, what kind of food we eat, do we like the food, why do we order the same food every time we go out? But we're consistent people and I want to be consistent with YouTube. So I have taken it upon myself. If life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. पूरा नींबू शिकंजी बना के घोल के पी जाओ. That's what I have learned. So right now, since I'm not in the mood to make lemonade, I'll take you guys to the shop beside my hostel, जहाँ से I will bring milk coffee because I have none of those things. I'll probably set up my stuff. I wanted, see, ever since I came into this room, I have always had a place where I put all my beverages in because I'm a big beverage girl. I like to drink a lot of green tea, and I have put on this one green tea from Tetley, lemon honey green tea that I love a lot. I mean, you can smell the honey, you can smell the lemon, can't really taste it that much, but whatever, it sails my boat, so I am always on it. So I've tamed my hair as much as I could so that I'm presentable enough to go downstairs and bring stuff. So yeah, हाँ, बोलने का मतलब ये था कि इस रूम में भी एक बेवरेज कॉर्नर होना चाहिए, है ना. तो अभी मेरे पे 4 कॉर्नर है इस रूम में, क्योंकि मैं अब इस रूम में अकेली ही हूँ. भगवान करे अकेली ही रहूँ. तो एक कॉर्नर को मैंने समझ के रखा था कि मैं यहाँ पे कॉफ़ी कॉर्नर बनाऊँगी प्रॉपर, मतलब कॉफ़ी, माई कॉफ़ी मशीन, माई नेस्कैफे कॉफ़ी मशीन, and my books, my paintings, everything. This has to be like a creative zone. So since right now in my life I am in a very weird position, so I want to, you know, motivate myself to do something, some work. So I am going to decorate this place now. I'm going to make like a proper coffee/book corner where all my cups and everything that my friends have given, all I'll buy coffee, I'll go buy coffee sachet, so that थोड़ा लगे कि मतलब है, थोड़ा सा मतलब ऐसे सुंदर दिखेगा मतलब. And my paintings, I need to put up my paintings also on the wall, so I'll do all that stuff now. Bus, double chin coming out. Where is the double chin coming, bro? Doing so much guasha, what the... Let's go to the dukan. I'll just stop blabbering at this point. I'll probably put little bit lip balm also, because look like a nashedi. I don't do nasha, by the way. Don't know if that helped, but who cares. Need to go bring coffee and need to go bring milk, because एक बार coffee और milk आ जाए, we are going to make, and I should probably get ice cream also. I want to drink like a very cold, अपने को cold coffee पीनी है, मतलब दिमाग में कॉफ़ी लॉटे में क्या ही बोलने वाली थी, कोई कैफे लैटे नहीं बन रहा है यहाँ पे. कोल्ड कॉफ़ी पीनी है, आइसक्रीम डाल देंगे ताकि थोड़ा सा मीठा मीठा लगे. आई डोंट ईट शुगर, सो आई ट्राई टू like, you know, trick myself by putting sugar in like through ice cream. I consume ice cream in the name of sugar. That's the only sugar that I eat. I don't even eat biscuits because I'm not into sugar. So yeah, चलते हैं दुकान. You know, normally I'm the kind of girl who'd try to escape going out. I'm so lazy. I would never ever want to go out अपने आप से. मतलब मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लगता ऐसे चल के जाने में, कि मतलब ब्लिंकिट ही कर देते हैं ना, क्यों नीचे ही आ जाएगा मैं लेके चीज़ें. बट देन दोज पीपल ऑल्सो टेक डिलीवरी चार्जेस ना. इफ़ आई कैन वॉक एंड गो, मे बी आई शुड डू दैट, है ना. चलते हैं. It was more expensive than I thought. I took 70 rupees and it cost me 94. Psych. But coffee aa gayi hai, guys. Why did he take so much money from me, bro? अबे इसको मैंने 10 पैकेट बोला था, इसने मेरे को 20 दे रखी है. हट. कोई बात नहीं, 20 ही आ गई है तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं, है ना. उसका करके भी क्या ही मिलेगा मेरे को. ये 40 की है, ऑब्वियसली 94 ये बनेगी. कोई बात नहीं, बन गई है तो बन गई है यार. why am I talking like this? I am only nagging and I am only trying to pacify myself. But that I'm putting all my coffee in this. Sahiti gave this to me when she went to Kashmir. She got this paper mache pencil stand, pen stand. But since I have this and it's very pretty, I would like it to be used as my coffee stand cake, मतलब सुंदर सा एक addition. A beverage stand. It would look very cute. ये yes, let's go. एक सुंदर सा इधर करते हैं ना. यहाँ पे तो लाइटिंग भी गंदी आ रही है. लाइट भी ऑन करनी है. ये बनी ना लाइट, पर इस साइड को फिर इट्स ओके, व्हाटएवर, लेट्स जस्ट सी. ओके, फॉर नाउ लेट्स सी.